Hey everyone, this video is about the person that keeps me straight, organized, and keeps me on track when it comes to concert photography. And I'm going to tell you a little bit about her in just a few seconds. My name is Robert Maxfield, and I've been a concert and music photographer in the Dallas-Fort Worth area for a very, very long time. And today what we're going to cover is working with an assistant. A while back, I had someone online when I told them that I worked with an assistant. They called BS on that and said there's no way festivals or venues are going to let a second person in on a media pass, and that's not right. That's incorrect. They will, and it's pretty much an ongoing tradition. For years and years and years, photojournalists have worked with writers, and the two of them worked as a tandem team. And when I worked for the newspapers, a lot of times I'd be sent out as the photographer, and I'd have a writer go out along with me, and that worked as a team. And that's kind of like what we work with right now. When we go out and photograph a concert, there's a couple things you should know. Okay, they may not put out another media pass or something like that, but in a lot of cases, we're doing a lot of free festivals or things like that. So what we'll do is it's free. Okay, so we take our cooler, we take our wagon or whatever, our little cart, and we take all our stuff, our food and everything, and folding chairs, and Julie sits in the back like she always does and takes notes of the band members' names, goes up and talks to them, gets their email addresses, where we can send them notifications of stuff, and she does the PR work for talking with the artist and the management. So if it's free, which a lot of times you'll go to free festivals or free concerts, the key word is it's free. What are they going to do? Okay, it's free. Sometimes if you go to a festival where they have to buy tickets, that kind of thing is not so bad either. A lot of times they'll just give you a second media pass or a second ticket, or worst case scenario, you have to buy a ticket. Okay, so you buy a ticket, all right. Still gets in the door, still gets all the stuff, is able to do what she needs to do, take down band members' names. If she can get close enough to talk to them or anything like that without any problems, she asks them tells them who we're shooting the event for, gets their information, email addresses, answers any of their questions, any of that kind of stuff, and that's invaluable. So that's one of the reasons why I work with an assistant. Um, Sometimes, in a rare instance, we both have to buy tickets, and that occasionally there are some venues that do that. You're buying a ticket, yay. Okay, so what's the big deal? She's still able to do her job, take the information. If we need to have any kind of hold the materials, hold the cameras, hold the rain gear, hold food, water, um, everything from sunscreen to whatever she needs to take care of. That's what working with an assistant is for, and it is good because I don't have to do it. I don't have to be a pack mule and carry everything in a backpack or skim down what I'm carrying to be able to do my photography. So if you get a chance, consider working with an assistant. It helps out greatly. Um, there you can they can take notes, they can do a lot of other functions, and Julie is my primary assistant. Rusty, when Julie can't do her assistanting, is that even a word? Well, whatever, she can't do her thing. um, Rusty does it for me, and so I have a couple different ones, but mostly Julie does it all, and she'll do everything as far as taking notes and keeping my itinerary and making sure I know where I need to be. She'll watch out for me to make sure that nothing bad is going to happen to me. Also, when you're walking around in what can be some unsavory areas, um, having more than one person kind of keeps you a little more safe. So it's a big deal. Julie's going to actually stay right there, and she's setting up all her paraphernalia, all the note taking and all that stuff. So I'm getting ready to see what's going on here. So consider working with an assistant, and if you found anything in this video that you liked, you want to know more, ring the bell, do the right things, do all the stuff you do with YouTube. Our channel, believe it or not, it's still growing, so like and subscribe. It helps us out quite a bit, and hopefully we can bring you more of these videos, and we appreciate you viewing, and we'll see you. I'm going to try to get another one out by Thursday. Thanks a lot. Bye-bye.